During this precious magazines. We got papers, blah blah blah. And we got these. Oh, ta-da! I pre-ordered it from JB Hi-Fi, and this is the packaging. It's kind of big for a magazine. Wait, I ordered a magazine, right? Not a vinyl. Anyway, let's open this thing. Let's see. I'm so excited. Hope I didn't ruin this. Packaging, is that it? Wait. Didn't, oh, I didn't cut this thing. Yes. Uh-oh. Oh, it's not that big. Double DVD back picture, yeah. Oh my god, that's magazine. Let's see if I can. Are you ready, guys? Oop. Is there anything? This is the magazine. This is the magazine, the Repetition Magazine Vol.2. I just bought one because I'm too broke to buy both of them. These are the bag. It is so pretty. It's wrapped. It's wrapped with the plastic, so I need to unwrap it with both of my hands. So we'll see you a little bit. Ta-da! And here it is, the Repetition Magazine. This is the bag. Let's open it. Oh, that's pretty. What's this? Oh, something prologue. Oh! All the lights are calling me one. Nobody's heard me for months. Sweet. Oh, that's kind of beautiful. She painted this one by herself. Wow. She's talented. She can sing, she can dance, she can paint. That's one thing. Let's see the back. Oh, wait, what's this? Oh, this is poem by Taylor Swift. Okay, she's very talented. Ah, another one. I'm doing better than I ever was. Swift. Another her face. That's cute. And let's have a quick look inside. Where's the CD? Wow. Call it what you want. Oh, these are all her lyrics, photos. Ooh, that's cute. She's pretty. She's really pretty. Wow. Where's the seat? Oh, okay. Oh wait, we have to make this thing up. Ah, that's fun. What's this? It's a poster. Wait, who's this? wait a second. Oh, this is a CD inside there. And what's this inside this? I'm not sure. Let's check it out later. Now what's this? Is this a poster? Yes, it is a poster. It's a big poster. That's pretty. Is this the end of all the endings? That looks so beautiful. So gorgeous. Pun intended. Wow. Let's keep this. Okay, fold this carefully. What's in here? I'll check this later. Let's see. What do we have here? Just pictures of her. You're gorgeous. Can't say anything to your face. Wow. Yeah. Let's see what's inside this part. So here it is, the CD itself. We have to assemble our own CD package. It's very simple. We just tear it up and I just fold it. Just two quick steps. And inside here we have this part. We have the CD, which is this one. It's very beautiful. Can't wait to listen to it. And the other part we have the kind of a booklet. Pretty sure it's just lyrics or something. Yes, it's lyrics. That's so good. Yes, I can't wait to listen to it. And I think that's it. That's the unboxing of the Reputation Magazine album, the Volume 2.